Trail builders will tell you they are artists. They create things that last and that leave a legacy, and they're very proud of that work.
If you're looking at a blank canvas, it's kind of your sandbox to play with, and making it into reality it's really cool to have that freedom to do what you want.
Being the first of its kind, the first trail technician program, it's very important that we show that trail building is a sustainable occupation as well.
If you take somebody that's gone through this trail program, we can bestow upon them our knowledge to set them out and have them on a better path of success as a trail builder.
Trail building has become one of the most requested assets in communities across the nation. To be able to have a more organized, skilled workforce that is certified, that's very important for the industry.
I see people get in this field that are hardcore mountain bikers and never been on a piece of machinery. Now, having a program, you can be better equipped to go into this field.
If you're in the outdoors, your mental health and your physical health just gets better. If you have something that's purpose-driven and fulfilling, I mean, it's all those things like wrapped into one.
That's where money is. That's where mental health and emotional well-being are. It's outside. You don't have to be at an office. This is a field where people can be their own boss and do really well.
You're getting the mental health benefit of being outdoors, but you're also being active on a trail, either running, hiking, biking. You're getting active, so you get this double impact of quality of life.
I came out here with that vision in mind of that's a place that I feel like I can set up a career, I can thrive, and then all it takes is one person to ride what you just built and tell you how awesome it is, and you're like, well, that's why I do this.
The importance is sustainability, longevity, leaving legacy, having something that you can go back to and see year over year and know that you had a hand in it, that it still exists.
For us, this is the perfect training ground for somebody to refine their craft of trail building. It's a really neat trade to get into because there's so many possibilities with it. They just get better and better and better.
There's a shortage in the industry of skilled quality trail builders. So anybody coming to this school will have a job.
The different career paths are truly endless. The only way to get started is to inquire and then to just put yourself out there and say, like, if I want to do it, I can do it.
My advice would be to just go for it. You only kind of reap positive benefits from it, whether it's on your own or for the community. You will feel the positive impact that you have on the community.
Now I'm out on the trails and I see a lot of people and they're enjoying it and they're happy and they're blown away. And a lot of times I just sit back and listen and smile.
We cannot graduate enough students from that program for the desire in this area. They will be hireable after completing this program.
This is so inspiring and so incredibly worthwhile. And then you get to ride it, and it's probably one of your best days ever.
As a trail builder, you're leaving a legacy that you could take your grandchildren and say, I helped build this, and now you'll still see people decades later enjoying your craft.
I wasn't much of a going to college person, but if you'd told me I could go to college for trail building, I would have been first in line to sign up.
It's so much more than just picking up a shovel. Everyone here believes in what we're doing, and we would love to show anyone how they can be a part of it.